Alright, well, current time is 2:29 a.m. Initially I thought WSRS and WBZ tested at 1:30 or 1:20 and 1:30. I guess they tested at 2:20 and 2:30. I was able to get the EO headers of WSRS. Got a minute before supposedly WBZ FM tests. So, just a waiting game now. This shouldn't be copyrighted because it's sports radio. It's 2:30 now, so now I just wait to see if they go ahead and test.
How you will bet the Chiefs?
Yes, and let me emphasize, I do not have all the answers. I'm just giving my opinion. So I certainly, and not only can I be wrong, I will be wrong on some stuff, but I feel very confident in terms of betting basic strategy. So how do we bet the Chiefs, I think you asked me. The narrative is out.
Oh, here we go.
He's barely able to walk. They're going to put his best foot or ankle forward on the report. It wouldn't surprise me.
Alright, there you have it. So I guess for Massachusetts, our WTs are just headers. There's no message, so alright, there you have it.